Kapor Kapatisi TV.
Haka khatway Tarik urisa araja arpsan kandan ke Jingïakynduh lang Jong Samla Pule Barim Jong Bosco Technical School. Pat kani kedai ke Jingïakynduh ke basisin cisnem nakabenta banyak perlu jumut para Samla Pule Barim. Pakumno andang la ban kenir ya ke Jingïarap syake imlang kesalang baja kini ke Julia nadu snem hakan rais pa lai puar. Pat kedang yai beteng hadu mentaru. Haka ba na way snem shawway ke Julia ya ke bebuan ki kamle isnai kamtam ya long yang ke beduk bat ya gitu kiwei pat ki badan kam yak Jingïarap.
Ka association ka kunhun jong ka possible Don Bosco Technical School Shillong ka khot ka wer subhaya phi baro ki possible jong ka Don Bosco ki bara jusa teng hane badru ikito ki ba le ki short term long term course bikin one khnang sakni ka annual past people meet jong wa rajar atusan ka tarik kan long ha ka khatwai tarik Oktober ka badi si sajan ka jaka kan dei Don Bosco Technical School Shillong but registration kan stang kapor lai siteng bat meeting kan ya kapor saubaje bat an sapan kot lagi jinglia somba bat jinglia bam ja kum ki kan hon jogi pas people bat ru kandon ka mas bakhot ya kapor lai baje te so sisen khot bang awer somba ya pi baro ban palai pot khnang nam ta kan yaski tu jong ka Jingïakynduh kan de ka Jingïakynduh lang jong baro ki pas people jong Don Bosco ko julong manus nam sisen sistem yawan ya kando ngemer jengmut kumno bangin penpai ya ka jinglong juman ka imlang salang kumno gini pentai ya ka jingedailang jungi para pasipul kumno gin contribute ya ka Don Bosco school lemba ka keyboard ki bala ki jungi.
As per normal practice of the association, since its inception, that is since 1932, already now 93 years already, we have been every year we used to have a annual get together, that is past people's meet. So this year also we are going to have it, that is on the 11th October 2025. So in this regard, through you both from electronic and printing media, I take this opportunity to invite all the past peoples of Don Bosco Technical School Shillong unit to our annual past people meet 2025. I think this year's event promises unforgettable nostalgia, camaraderie, and inspiration. So the program will be as follows. At 3 p.m., we will be having a Holy Mass that will be celebrated by Reverend Father Rector. He has invited specially all the past peoples to attend this Holy Eucharistic Mass, that is to pray for the success of the gathering. Then at 3:30 to 4 p.m., we will be having a registration. All the past people's members, they will be able to register themselves. So then at 4 p.m., we will start our annual general body meeting, where we will have a brief report of the association by our general secretary. Then will be followed by a financial report by our treasurer. So in this annual general body meeting, we will discuss important updates and future plans of the association. Then after the annual general body meeting, we will be having a evening program to enjoy an entertaining night with dinner, music, and laughter with our fellow past peoples. So, for further information, I would like to give this contact number. You may contact this number 8423889013, and the other number is 700-566-4730. So, therefore, I request all the past peoples those who have stayed in the hostel, as well as those who have done even the ITI short-term courses like 2 weeks course, 6 months course, or 1 year course, they are all invited to this past people's meet. So therefore, I request all the past peoples to come on the 11th October 2025, and let's make this event come together to reunite, reminisce, and let's make a new memorable event. I've done so many things, like we used to every year we used to conduct blood donation camps. Then we used to help this one to the underprivileged students. We are giving a free scholarships in collaboration with the house, that is with the Bosco Technical School Shillong. And recently also we have this one. We have installed one high mast lamppost so that all the childrens, those who are sitting idly, they can play till the evening. I think you must have seen just now. Most of the children were still playing, so that these youths, they will come and play, and they will not go to the uh, like drug addicts nowadays. There's so much of drugs and so many antisocial elements in order to divert their minds. So we have installed this high mast lamppost so that children, they can play till late evening.
Hello everyone, this is Dr. Madan Kumar, working as an associate professor in Christian Medical College, Vellore, in Pediatric Respirology Department. My main treatment would be with pediatric lung disorders such as asthma, recurrent chest infection, and then recurrent cough. So the importance of this is, if you diagnose it first and if you treat it properly, long term the child will have a normal life. If you are not going to treat the child properly, what happens is the quality of life of the child decreases. That is manifested like not studying properly, not playing properly, and not behaving properly. So when we try to treat these things, the respiratory infections properly, most of the times they get better and have a good quality of life. So I am here to screen the children who have respiratory problem. I will be available in Dr. H. Gordon's Robert Hospital from October 1 to October 15 between 10 to 1 p.m. Thank you.